Well, good morning. I am right in the middle of Boise. My goal today is to catch a fish while my son is surfing right there. I'm gonna move around up and down here a little bit on the river, but within at least sight of the surf wave here. If you've been in Boise, if you've been down here at the Whitewater Park, you know this is a popular area for water sports. I'm gonna see if it's a popular area for big fish. Fresh trace right there, just in time to see him catch a wave. Pretty crazy you can surf a river, huh? Up. Always fun to watch a kid wipe out. All right, go catch a fish. There's a fish. There we go. Oh, it's a good fish too, guys. It's a good fish. And there's the wave, surf wave right there. Stay on. Stay on. Oh, guys, we're so close to mission accomplished. Trace is surfing. And right here is a gorgeous rainbow. Maybe. Oh. Well, not quite ready to give up. Oh, and a beautiful one too. Look at that fish right there. Look at that fish. Man, this is just a gorgeous, thick fish. Oh. There it is, that single hook. Look at this rainbow trout. Thick, gorgeous fish. Wow. Right here by the surf wave. Right by my son surfing. He's on the wave and I'm in the river. All right, let's release this big guy. Thank you for that. Yes. All right, here's where I caught the fish, right here. Let's walk right around this corner. And right there. Right up there is Trace surfing the wave. So, there we go. I caught a really nice one right under the bridge while you guys are on the wave.
Wait, really?
Yeah. How was your surf session this morning, son?
Yeah, you know, hopped in, got pitted, hopped out, you know, it was good.
Would you rather surf or fish?
It's still fun. Depends on my day.
Yesterday, a couple days ago, you were catching some big fish. Now you're surfing. And now I was catching fish right there under that bridge while you were surfing. I guess that's a pretty good combination. We can do both.
Good combination. We'll do both.
Well, my son has surfed this river 100 times, and we've certainly fished it, at least that many as well. But we've never done them at the same time. So this was our first surf and, what do you call that? Surf and fin? Cast and splash? Anyway, our first time surfing and fishing at the same time within sight of each other. Super quick trip, short video, but thanks for watching. If you like this video, if it's entertaining at all, please like it, subscribe. We'll see you soon.